Wi-Fi connected but no internet? Fix your Android with these steps. Turn Wi-Fi off and on. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Tap Network and Internet. Turn Wi-Fi off. Wait a few seconds. Then turn Wi-Fi back on. Your phone should automatically reconnect to the saved network. Once it's connected, open a website or app to check if your internet is working again. If the issue is resolved, you're all set. If there's still no internet, continue to the next solution. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Go back to the Wi-Fi settings page. Tap the gear icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network. Select Forget. Now choose your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap Connect. Once you're connected, open a website or any app that requires an internet connection. If the problem persists, continue to the next solution. Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap on System. Select Reset options. Tap Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then tap Reset to confirm. Keep in mind that this will remove all saved Wi-Fi networks and paired Bluetooth devices. Once the reset is complete, return to the Wi-Fi settings. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and tap Connect. After reconnecting, test your internet connection again. If there's still no internet access, test another device. If the problem still isn't resolved, connect another phone, tablet, or laptop to the same Wi-Fi network. If the other device has internet access without any issues, the problem is likely with your Android phone. In that case, the issue may be hardware-related or require a more advanced diagnosis. Visit a nearby authorized service center or trusted mobile repair shop for further assistance, and that's it.